Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikhil. Today we are going to unbox an AXOR Apex solid black helmet, dull black. So I am going to unbox it and we are going to review the helmet. As this was an open box delivery from Flipkart, I have received the package just like this. As you can see, the label of the AXOR branding, and it comes in a fancy carry bag from AXOR. So I'm going to remove it and we're going to unbox it. As we have unboxed the AXOR helmet from the box, there is a bag which is actually a nice quality. It has a texture, soft texture from inside, and it's a nylon texture from outside. So this is actually a pretty nice bag to carry the helmet. So this is how our helmet looks. So let's see what comes in the box with the helmet. There is a small sticker kit with our blood groups and the radium stickers present with the AXOR labeling. There is a spoiler inside the kit, and also there was a spoiler which was given with the helmet. This is the spoiler which I have fixed to the helmet. So see, this is how the helmet looks. There are many special features about this helmet actually. First thing, it has a double D-ring lock. Double D-ring lock system which helps for extra protection, and also there is a chin curtain. At this price point it has many features, and also it has speaker pockets for the intercom which can be fixed, and it also has a double visor which works like this, which is actually a fancy feature, and also has pin lock 30 which is dust proof and fog resistant. It also has a scratch proof film already placed in the helmet on the visor. So also it has a vent in the front. It has a vent in the front, and also it has vents on the top of the helmet, and has a branding above. So see, this is how the helmet looks. It looks like a fancy Batman helmet, and it also has a radium reflective padding. All the padding inside can be removed and can be washed, and it also has a easy removable visor setup. By just pulling, we can remove the visor and we can change it to smoked visor. And it has a smoked inner visor, which is actually a fancy feature which can be used in sun, where you can open the visor and you can use the inside shades. So, and even the double D-ring has a magnetic pin on the top of the belt, which is actually good. It helps in the securing the lock. Perfect. Now I'll wear and I'll show it to you how it looks. Okay, it's time to wear the helmet. Let's wear it. It has a secured fit to the head. You should measure your head and you should take the helmet. It is a secure fit and it has a nice ventilation actually. This is how it looks, and this is the double daring lock which you have to wear. So just it is a secure fit and it has a lot of features. So this helmet is certified by 3 major companies. It is DOT certified, ISI certified, and also ECE 22.606 certified. So safety is top notch in the helmet, and also it is made up of polycarbonate shell, which is perfect for daily commute, and it has a strong shell, which is pretty good. I got the helmet for 4,500 rupees in an offer. The actual price of the helmet is 5,000, and it is a pretty good helmet. It looks like a Batman helmet with the glossy visor, and it has pretty good vents for cooling, and the safety features such as the double daring, which is also a secured one. Okay, this is the review by me for the AXOR Apex Solid Black helmet. So for more such content and biking related content, please subscribe. And also I am going to fit an intercom for the helmet. As I have said, there is a speaker pockets present in the helmet, so I am going to place the intercom. It is going to be my next project and my next video, so please be connected to watch the next video. I'll be posting it the next week of this video, so please subscribe for more such content and biking related content. Like, share and subscribe. My name is Nikhil, and thank you for watching the video. Until then.